Hello, everybody. This is Miss Arroyo. Again, we're going to do another lesson on distance, okay, using Pythagorean theorem. So when we're using distance, now I made this a little bit harder than the actual assignment I gave you because I wanted to show you that you can find distance from any 2 points, okay? So even if we're not given anything but the points. So here we're given the points 3, ooh, that got really, sorry, -3, -2, and 1, 4. Okay, so I'm going to plot these points. So here's my graph. I'm going to go -1, -2, -3, and then down -1, -2, and I'm going to put my point. That's point -2, -3. By the way, I just printed this graph paper up from online for free, so you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, but you won't need that for the assignment. Okay, 1, 4. So we're going to go from the middle again at the origin. We go over 1 to 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4. So this is 1, comma 4. Okay, and now we're going to find that distance. So I'm going to draw my line. Okay, and notice it's diagonal. Okay, so we can make a right triangle from this. I'm going to draw a line going from the top point straight down to the bottom of this point. And I'm going to make a line going straight over from this point over to the corner of this triangle. And we've now made a triangle. I'm trying to darken it a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, here's our right triangle. Okay, now again, we just have to count squares. So I'm going to look at this distance here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. And over here, this distance is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. So we've got our triangle, our right triangle. We've got our lengths, 4 and 6. Okay. And now we can use Pythagorean theorem to work it out. Okay. I'm going to show you on a separate sheet of paper. All right. So if I use a little model of my triangle there, my triangle had a length of 6 and a length of 4. Okay, so there it is, and we're trying to find this side length. All right, so again, make our squares that come out. Okay, there they are. And I'm going to show you using Pythagorean theorem how we can figure this out. So again, length of 4. Length of 4. 4 squared. Remember, this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so 4 squared, that's going to be 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So this area is 16. This length is 6, so we've got, 6 squared. And that's going to be 6 times 6 is 36. So the square is 36. Equals c squared, and we don't know c squared yet. We also don't know c. So we're going to add these two up. I'm going to put down my 2, and we get 52. Okay, is our c squared. So this area, this square is 52. But again, that's not this length, because if this length is 4 and this is 6, there's no way this is 52. So be really careful that you don't say it's 52. You have to find that square root. So we're going to find the square root. Okay, square root of 52. And I'm going to put my approximate symbols because I know this is going to be a decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate 52 square root, and that's about 7.21. 7.21. Or it's approximately 7. It's close to 7. Okay, so this is how we do a distance problem with just 2 points. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and go ahead to your practice. Bye.